Hi, legal professionals. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Here at Legally Techie, we show you how to use Google Workspace for your law firm or solo practice. Today, I'm going to show you how to find and recover a file within your Google Drive for your law firm. And this is so important when you need to find a recent file that you've deleted and how exactly you can recover it back to go ahead and continue to work on that legal document. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead in your trash. And of course, you may have more documents within your trash than I do, but for demonstration purposes, we only have one. And what you want to do is go ahead and right click the document you want to restore and click on restore. Do keep in mind that items that are deleted after 30 days are deleted forever. If you have your Google Vault with data retention in place, that would be a different scenario. Now, if you go back to your drive, you'll see that the document has been restored. So that is how you find and also restore a legal document within your Google Drive. So thank you so much for watching. Please share, like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them for you.